Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 911T in Slate Grey Neo. This has the 911T interior with Gentian Blue accents. We'll see that in just a moment. This car has delivery miles, but is being sold as a certified pre-owned car. So it has the added warranty, unlimited miles. Let's take a look inside. Gentian Blue deviated stitching. Nice accents there. Carrera T on the door sill. And then this is the these are the seats. These are in the shape of the 18-way seats, but they are the combination of manual and electric adjustment. You have electric adjustment here for the backrest and for the up and down and that. You have a lever down there for the fore and aft adjustment. So, Gentian Blue and the seat belts as well. Let's get in. We'll start it up. 15 miles. 15 miles on the odometer, really just delivery miles. 6-speed manual, as all these T's come with. We do have seat heating. You don't have ventilation given the cloth inserts on the seats. Let me click through here. Given that it's a T, we do have the sport exhaust. That's the button for it here. It just adds a deeper growl to it. We do have sports chrono. You have the stopwatch up on the dash, and then down here we can switch between the drive modes. Let me get out of this. There we go. See, we can go from normal to Sport Plus mode, and then of course there's a wet mode as well. This does have the GT steering wheel in it. We also have a heated steering wheel. Button is right down here. Given this is a 2025, we have the new digital dash where you have your selection of various screens. This is the traditional 5-dial. We can go down to this screen, which actually gives you kind of the red line up at the top, set up for track. And then we have a 3-dial. In the 3-dial, you can select which of these gauges you might like to change, and you have some adjustment within each of those dials as well. When we're out on the street, we would have a speed limit sign showing there, G-force meter, and of course your tire pressure monitoring. So, brand new T with certified pre-owned unlimited mile warranty. Any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.